This Daredevil pilot passed the Corinth Canal in Greece with flying colours as he showed off his skills performing tricks across the sky. "57-year-old Peter Besenyei glided over the canal, which is 6.4 kilometres long, performing dramatic manoeuvres and risky tricks. After crossing the canal, here he continues his flight under the bridge of Corinthos and performed a grand finale of impressive loop-de-loops around the bridge. The aerobatic expert's plane had a wingspan of 8 metres, not much less than the 21.4 metres that the canal measures at its narrowest point. Peter has previously worked as an aerobatics flying instructor and once completed an upside-down flight under the chain bridge in Budapest.